Hey everyone, welcome back to Milton Black Engineering Graphics. I'm Milton and today we're in FreeCAD Sketcher Workbench for Sketcher Example 4. We'll create a sketch with arcs, use Constrain Symmetry and trim edge tools, and extrude it into a 3D model. Let's get started. Open FreeCAD, go to the Part Design Workbench and click Create Sketch. Select the XZ plane and hit OK. Alternatively, use the Sketcher Workbench. Enable construction mode. Icons turn blue. Draw a 45mm horizontal line using the line tool and set its length with the dimension tool. From the right endpoint, draw a 12mm vertical line upward. Use the Create Point tool to mark the midpoint of the 12mm line. It should snap automatically with point coincident. If it doesn't, select the two endpoints and the point, then click Constrain Symmetry or press S to center it. With construction mode on, use the Arc by Center tool to draw a 35mm radius arc from the left endpoint of the 45mm line. Then, from the 12mm line's midpoint, draw a 29mm radius arc to intersect the first arc. Turn off Snap to Grid and Snap to Objects in the toolbar, then use Create Point to mark the intersection. With radii of 30mm and 36mm using Arc by Center. Turn off snapping again and use Create Point to mark where these arcs intersect. Toggle Snap to Grid and Snap to Objects back on. Toggle off construction mode. Use Arc by Center to draw a final arc from the last marked intersection point, matching the reference figure. Use Create Point to mark where this arc should stop. Select the Trim Edge tool and click excess arc segments to remove them. To smooth sharp edges, use the Create Fillet tool. Select the two lines meeting at a point. Click Close to exit the sketcher. Switch to Part Design Workbench, select the sketch, and click Pad to extrude by 10mm. That's it, folks. We've crafted a precise sketch using arcs, constraints, and trimming, then turned it into a 3D model. Love this? Hit like, subscribe to Milton Black Engineering Graphics, and comment below. Check our FreeCAD Part Design tutorials playlist in the description. Next, we'll explore more Sketcher tools. Thanks for watching. See you next time.